Cadillac has just shown off its major new CT5 sedan that is replacing the CTS and ATS. The new CT5 is based on an updated alpha platform and features more refined and sharper handling, but so far that's all we really know. The CT5 will be fully revealed at the NY Autoshow next month, where we'll take a live up-close look of the new Cadillac. In terms of engines, we know that the base engine will be a new 2-liter turbo 4 and then an optional twin-turbo V6, both paired to a 10-speed auto. This twin-turbo V6 should be similar or not identical to the one in the CT6, where it makes around 404 horsepower. In the future, there will be a CT5B model, but whether it gets the new 4.2-liter 550 horsepower Blackwing V8 is unknown. Now let's take a look at the new design. Taking a lot of inspiration from the Escala concept, the CT5 gains a sloping rear roofline and a unique C-pillar design that unfortunately looks way too similar to a Honda Accord. Gone is a big oversized chrome grille in place for a thinner and more sporty design with new hockey stick LED headlights, vertical LED taillights, and a more central mounted horizontal exhaust tips. So far we just have a small snapshot of the new center console with the physical cue controls and new shifter. But overall, what I'm scared the most about is the interior, and I hope it isn't as bland and cheap looking as the disappointing and expensive new XT6. Cadillac says the new CT5 will be going up against the 3 Series, C-Class, and A4, and possibly the 5 Series, E-Class, and the A6, as it is sort of in between. And this time it finally looks like it will have a chance. Coming soon will be a new CT4 that will place below the new CT5, and that should compete more with the likes of the Audi A4, the Audi A3, the CLA, A-Class, and eventually the new BMW 2 Series that should be coming out soon. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching.